Silver against US dollar. This week has lost its value. The week started with this bullish candle, bullish pin bar at the resistance level. Then on a Tuesday the price formed this bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value, but the next candle, we can see that here, has cancelled, invalidated this one, where the price dropped in value in the next 2 days, and on Friday reaching the resistance at support at 33.029. The price trying to move even further down, we can see that, but the day could not close below this area of support. Weekly time frame shows me a bounce from this area of resistance. We can see that with the bearish candle, where the price tried to move further down but could not close below this area of support, which is also a great information for the bulls because they have managed to defend this area of support. Monthly time frame is still bullish. We can see that the whole month was bullish, but only here where the resistance is, the price has formed a small bounce from this area, retrace from this area of resistance, and we can see the price have moved down. Now what we can expect next week and also how the month will close, but what we can see, it is very important for the price on the monthly time frame do not go below 32.64. It will, if it goes below, it will probably be a signal that the price will try to move further down, where 31.31 is the next support and also the target. So we'll see how the price will behave around 32.64. Weekly time frame is also 32.50 is the support level that needs to hold. We can see that here. The daily time frame is 32.029 and also especially 32.4478 is the next support that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from reaching lower levels. Now what the price will do next week, I do not know for now, because the price dropped down and reached the support level. I will wait for the price to make its move to see how the price will behave. 4-hour time frame shows me that we have bouncing from this area of support and it reached the resistance level, so it's also not clear where the price could go. And 1-hour time frame is also at the resistance level, which needs to be broken in order to move higher, or it needs to be return back down to continue to lose its value. So for now, for the silver, it is very hard to determine. I'm waiting for the market to make a move and then I will follow the market. So let's see what happens during the week. So if you would like to receive these updates during the week, feel free to join the premium analysis, where I share also details with the traders, and also especially when the breakout happens on the 1-hour time frame. For example, like this in this example, when the price forms a bullish breakout, like in this example, targeting the next resistance level, this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. If you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the link below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.